Good morning! So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Al-Mamzar Park, Beach Park in Dubai. So, nag-walk lang kami dito paikot kasi sarado pa yung park. It will open at 8 a.m. pala. Doon sana kami sa may public beach just to witness the sunrise. Kaso, under siya, it's closed under renovation. So, dito na lang tayo napadpad sa may Al-Mamzar Beach Park. Ayan, ang ganda nung sun, oh. Super, super beautiful po. Alam mo yung promise ni God na it's a whole new day, it's a brand new day, and we have the opportunity to improve ourselves, to forgive ourselves, to love ourselves, and to be proud of ourselves for another day. Ayan, ang sarap lang mabuhay. So, first things first, let's be healthy. Let's have a walk in the morning with this peaceful view. Ayan, kasama si Mr. Sunrise. So, hindi tayo nag-hiking for today. So, dito lang tayo sa park and sa beach. And this beach is not pet friendly. So, hindi namin sinama si Bella at Lucy. Ayan na siya. Actually, it's mentioned that sunrise is at 7:05. Pero medyo late siya today. Medyo marami na rin tao dito sa park na nag-aantay na mag-open yung park. Because I think everyone wants to do a barbecue because it's allowed here. Di siya allowed mag-camping but you can do a barbecue. Ayan. So, such a beautiful day and it's very good to start this day with a grateful heart, with a happy heart. Yeah, so nice. Sobrang ganda ni Haring Araw, oh. Ah. Pag gusto mong pumasok sa park, you need to pay 5 dirhams only. If you want to bring your car inside, it's also 30 dirhams. And you have to buy your ticket online. So, first time namin dito. First time natin makita yung loob. Let's see. So, hello there, Mr. Sunrise, and thank you for this beautiful morning, Lord. Thank you for everything, for all the blessings. Thank you so much po. And thank you for taking care of us, for waking us up, for giving us another opportunity to be alive and enjoy your beautiful creation. Forgive us for all our shortcomings. And thank you for giving us the opportunity always. Thank you, Lord. Thank you so much. Super, super thank you. Thank you. And see you again on my next vlog. So, have a great day. Thank you, guys.